Hey guys, good morning and welcome to another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. Today it's day 2 of the ultimate weekend. Today we're gonna go to Roosendaal in Arnhem, to the castle for a full blast fashion shoot and of course a lot of information about lighting, styling, creativity and whatnot more. So join us for today's episode of Behind the Closed Doors. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below and of course smash that like button. But let's go to Roosendaal first.
Bring what we bring, of course, the camera.
Sony A7R III.
And then we have the light meter, some tape, you never know. And we also bring this time our walkie-talkies. Then we have the 100 Hansel light, which is on normal power.
1000.
1000. And the 2 porty heads. We have the 3 triggers over here. Do you want to bring gels as well, Frank?
Not today.
Not today, okay. Then
We did a lot of gels yesterday.
that's true, that's true. Then we have 2 stands. Then we have the porty with an extra battery. 1 battery is already inside. And you know the easiest thing is you can just pull this open. And then, well, you understand,
You can change the
you
battery.
can change the
light.
battery very quickly.
That's really awesome.
And we also bring the Hansel Power. That's this one.
Yeah, that's for the Integra 1000 head.
That's just a normal head.
Power outlet.
Power outlet with the charger for the batteries. There's also 1 battery inside already.
And the cool thing is, it all fits in one easy to carry package.
And in this case, it's a very nice carrying case. I put in the beauty dish
Okay.
and also the grid for the reflector. Frank might need it.
Probably will.
And this is the back for the
The
14-inch reflector
Those are awesome on location because they give you a lot of light output.
and a small reflector. And of course we bring the Ground Mini with the Light Tools grid.
Yes, it's a beta grid, so it's not on the market yet, but they're working on it together with us to see if everything works fine and fits. And up until now, it works like a charm. And Light Tools, of course, is a high quality grid. So really cool.
Well, let me check if we have the extra batteries for the camera.
Okay.
Because the A7R III is filled, but yes,
The video camera, we need
I
extra
got them.
batteries.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we're ready, Anouk?
I think we're ready, load it up, and let's move on.
Awesome. And now, of course, we're going to be shooting tethered today, but normally we use tether tools straight into a laptop on a tether table. But today we're going to do it slightly different. We're going to bring my Huawei M5 tablet and we're going to use the Sony A7R III on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, it depends on how you connect, for the Play Memories Live app. And this is really cool about Sony. They have it inside the camera, so you can shoot tethered to your tablet or your phone. And the nice thing about this is it only transfers 2 megapixel files. So that means you press the button and the file is almost immediately on the tablet. And you don't need to go through all the hassle of putting in passwords. You only do it once, and then because you use an NFC chip, you just hit your tablet very slightly and it will connect immediately. This is something that I longed for when I still had an iPad, because on the iPad I had to do a very tedious process of finding the password in the camera, then connecting it again. It was pretty tedious. Now with the Huawei tablet, so an Android, it's just very simple. You just hit it on the NFC and it works. Now, don't flame me if at this point in time also the iPads do the same thing, because we switched over about, I think, a year and a half ago, and at that point it didn't work yet. So very, very cool solution. 2 megapixel files, really, really fast to the tablet, and the people can see the images. And because it's a high brightness tablet, even outside it works like a charm, and we don't have to drag the laptop everywhere. So that's it. Now we're really gonna get in the car because it's now 8:06 and we had to leave here at 8, so we have to make up a little bit of time. Oh, and boys and girls, never make up time in traffic. Oh, I almost forgot my 12 to 24 from Sigma. We're still using an old version, A mount with a converter, but it's such a nice lens, the 12 to 24. We recently tested the Sony, which is also really cool, but this is my own lens, so we have to bring this one to a castle because it's that really nice wide angle look. And we almost forgot it. Thank you. Okay, we arrived at Roosendaal in Arnhem and look at this. This is just the most stunning location you can think. Look at the fall colors. Now, this doesn't look like much, but look when you walk over here. You can actually see the sun coming through. Isn't that just amazing? Look at this. And the camera overblows it just a little bit, but this is absolutely stunning. And over there, we have this beautiful area. And we've been here before with shoots. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful location. I can't stress that enough. It's just amazing. And here we have the house itself. It's not really a castle, it's more like a mansion, but they call it a castle. So this is really nice. Over there is the restaurant, so we're gonna have lunch there. And of course we have a lot of inside locations. But we're probably gonna do some location shoots over there. We're gonna do some, maybe over there's an area that's called the Bedriegertjes, where you actually have water coming up. And inside we're gonna find 2 locations. So in total we're gonna try to do 4 setups, 2 inside, 2 outside, and we'll see what happens. So it's gonna be a fun day. It's really nice weather and I don't think it's gonna rain. So I'm not gonna say what can go wrong because that's pushing it, but I think it's gonna be awesome.
so beautiful. I can hear you within the silence. Ooh. We will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me.
Guys, that was the workshop Ultimate Weekend Day 2. It was an absolutely amazing day in this castle. Beautiful results. Nadine had beautiful styling with a great group. And that's the cool thing about the Ultimate Weekend. People really connect and it's just friends for life for now. And that's the cool thing about doing a workshop this intense with a smaller group for 2 days. You really get to know each other. You really dive in for the creativity. And in a location like this, and again, look with the lighting a little bit lower. I hope you can see this on the camera. This is absolutely a stunning location. Okay, so for now, I'm signing off. I hope you enjoyed these 2 episodes. Next week, no workshops. I will try to upload some stuff, but there will not be a behind the closed doors next week because, again, no workshops. See you again next time. If you like what we do, subscribe to the channel, leave comments below, and of course, smash that like button because we really like that. See you again next time. Bye bye.
We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me. We will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me. And I can reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful. I can hear you within the silence.